balance, design, connection.
Hey, have you ever had a brilliant idea, something you really wanted to do? You bought the books, you organized your desk perfectly, you were ready. And honestly, you are capable. You're smart. Maybe people have always told you you have so much potential. Everyone expects you to succeed. But there's this one problem. You just can't start. You stare at that blank screen, and the cursor, it just blinks and blinks. Suddenly, cleaning your room feels so urgent, right? Organizing files becomes critical, and watching just one YouTube video seems absolutely necessary. Then hours pass, days pass, and that heavy feeling in your chest, that guilt, it starts to grow. You probably ask yourself, why am I so lazy? Why am I wasting my talent? But friend, here's the twist. You are not lazy. In fact, your procrastination might be a sign that you care too much. I'm Chang, and this is Mind Sketch. Today, let's talk about why smart people like you get stuck and how we can gently break through that wall of perfectionism. If you have big dreams but feel stuck at the starting line, stay with me. This might be the start you've been waiting for. First, let's clear up a huge misunderstanding. We usually think procrastination is about being bad at time management. I just need a better planner, right? But Dr. Tim Pychyl, who spent his life studying this, says something different. He says procrastination isn't about time, it's about emotions. Emotions. Yeah. When you look at that big project, your brain doesn't just see work, it sees fear. It sees what if I fail? It sees anxiety. And these feelings hurt. Since your brain is designed to protect you from pain, it whispers, hey, let's do something that makes us feel good right now. That's when the instant gratification monkey grabs the steering wheel. It steers you toward fun stuff, YouTube, snacks, scrolling. Basically, procrastination is just your brain using cheap dopamine as a band-aid for your anxiety. So you see, you're not avoiding work, you're avoiding the bad feelings that the work gives you. And for smart people, this trap is even stickier. Let me tell you why. Smart people often fall into what I call the perfectionism trap. Without realizing it, you might be tying your self-worth to your performance. Imagine a student who always got A's. Wow, you're so smart, everyone said. But now, every single task feels like a test to prove you're still smart. If you try and fail, it feels like proof that you're not smart anymore. But if you don't try, you can always say, I could have done it perfectly if I just had more time. Procrastination becomes a shield. It protects your ego. It says, I didn't fail because I'm not good enough. I failed because I started at 4 a.m. This leads to analysis paralysis. You research, you plan. It feels like work. It feels productive. But actually, it's just a really sophisticated way of hiding. You're building a beautiful map, but you haven't taken a single step. Because the moment you start, things get messy. Real work is imperfect. And imperfection, that is terrifying to a perfectionist. So you just stare at the wall of it has to be perfect, and it looks way too high to climb. Is there a way out? Yes, there's actually a formula for this, created by Dr. Piers Steel. It's called the Procrastination Equation. It sounds complex, but it's simple. To stop postponing things, we need to do two things: increase the value and decrease the resistance. First, believe you can do it. This fights the fear of failure. Second, make the reward feel closer. Our brains hate waiting. But there is a hack that beats the whole equation. It's the secret weapon of high achievers. Want to know what it is? Here are 4 ways to trick your brain into starting. Solution 1, lower the bar. Your perfectionism says, write a brilliant chapter. I say, write one terrible sentence. Seriously, give yourself permission to be bad. Make your goals stupidly small. I'll just open the laptop. I'll just put on one shoe. This lowers the pain signal. That huge wall becomes a tiny step, and once you step over, magic happens. Solution 2, the Zeigarnik effect. Our brains hate unfinished tasks. It's like a song stuck in your head. Once you start, even for just 2 minutes, you open a loop. Your brain will naturally want to close it. It will actually nag you to finish. Starting is the hard part. Continuing is surprisingly easy. Solution 3, be kind to yourself. This might sound soft, but science backs it up. People who forgive themselves for procrastinating actually procrastinate less next time. Guilt just adds more pain. More pain means more avoidance. So forgive yourself. Break the cycle. Solution 4, the 5-second rule. Mel Robbins said it best. If you have an impulse to act, move within 5 seconds before your brain talks you out of it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. It shuts down the overthinking part of your brain and activates the doing part. So, my smart perfectionist friend, here is your battle plan for today. Step 1, forgive yourself. Let go of the guilt from yesterday. It's okay. Step 2, make the task tiny. Don't write the book today. Just write one bad sentence. Step 3, count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and start. Just cross that threshold. Let your brain take over from there. Your intelligence is a gift, but perfectionism is a cage. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. The world misses out on your brilliance every time you hold back. Don't let the fear win. If this helped you take even a small step, hit subscribe. We're building a community of people learning to master their minds together. Next time, we're going to talk about a feeling we all hide. People who secretly hate their friends' success. We'll explore why we feel jealous and how to stop comparing ourselves. Right now, pick one small thing you've been putting off. Just one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go do it. I'm really rooting for you. This was Chang. See you in the next sketch.
Subscribe now and ring the bell. Don't miss an update. Subscribe now. Procrastination is an emotion problem. It's not about time management, but about regulating your emotions.